Welcome. In front of me I have Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro and I'm gonna show you how to turn on this Smart Band. To turn on this Smart Band, basically we need to plug it to a charger. So you need a charging cable that was provided with your device. Looks like this. And once you have the charging cable, you need to plug the USB end into a computer or the charging brick. I'm gonna use this extension cable right here. Basically something that provides power to the cable. And once you plug it in, then you can basically grab your Smart Band and place the cable and attach it to the Smart Band. It will snap on because it's magnetic. And once you attach the cable and the Smart Band receives the power, it will turn on automatically. And then we can unplug the cable. As you can see, the device turned on. And that's how you turn on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.